Hello and welcome to a day in my life. Today I am just kind of treating myself to a day outside. It's a beautiful day and it's my day off and I want to take advantage of it. So I'm planning on picking up my favorite iced tea and then going to the park to read. Okay, I made it to the park and I have my tea. This is a green tea with peach and boba in it. So good. Now I'm just gonna bring that and my blanket and my book, sit out in this beautiful little area and chill out for the day. So today I'm reading Gilead by Marilyn Robinson, and it's about a father and son. So far I'm not really sure what the plot is because I am just beginning, but I think so far it's a good cadence. Like, there are certain books where within the first 2 pages I can tell that I just won't be able to get through it just because of the way it's written, but this one is written in a style that I like, so I'm excited to see where it goes. Oh no, look at those clouds. I think it's time for me to pack up and leave. Okay, so I just finished eating dinner. I made chicken cutlets, which I can actually show you because I made enough for the rest of the week. So I made chicken cutlets just with olive oil and breadcrumbs. It's super simple and tastes really good if you cook it in the air fryer. So now I'm just gonna put this away actually. Other than that, I'm pretty much done for the day. Living alone is really weird and something I'm totally not used to because I've literally lived with someone since I was born, and now I'm kind of on my own. I'm still technically in the house with Joe's parents, but getting used to doing things alone is kind of an adjustment for me. After I came back from the park, I just worked on an assignment for a job interview that I'm currently going through. So I was just sitting at the computer and nothing really interesting happened, but crossing my fingers about this job. I really hope that I get it because it would be super exciting. And it would possibly allow me to move to Antigua, or not move to Antigua, but travel to Antigua to visit Joe, which would be amazing. But for now, I'm just going to sit back, relax on the couch, probably watch some TV until I go into the hot tub later tonight. So I think I'm going to be done filming for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.